A short one here. Problem discovered. It's not solved yet, but it's discovered. This is the hose that was actually running from the gauge into the engine bay. This is the problem. So this hose was running from the interior of the car to the engine bay, and as you can see, it's pretty dried up, cracked, and it was actually cracked throughout. There's a lot of areas throughout the hose that were probably bleeding out air, and that's why I wasn't getting any vacuum at all, or almost none. So let's take a look over. Now I have it all back together. I do have some pictures of the repair process that I might add. And 18 inches of vacuum. And when it idles down, it'll hook in between 19 and 20. So one problem solved. And another one discovered actually. When I was doing the work, the gauges went out, and it turns out that one of the ground wires had started to come apart. It just wasn't being held together anymore by the tape that was in there. And yes, when I first put everything together, I didn't have a soldering iron, so some of it was crimped, some of it was just taped together, and there was afterthoughts in there with, you know, drawing the negative wire for the shift light and putting some other electrical connections in. So I'm going to go back through this. I actually ordered a soldering iron, heat shrink, and a couple of other supplies, because all my other stuff is up in New York still, and I'll get that taken care of probably within the next couple of days. Next on the list is actually going to be the Scavenge pump. If it shows up, hopefully it'll be here on Tuesday. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's pretty loud. And it wasn't before. It's a TurboWorks pump, but it's their standard pump. So, and it did its job when it was running fine, but it's not doing the job anymore. And this time I ordered the EXA, I think that's what it's called, and that is the high performance pump. And I'm also going to move it because I don't know if you're going to be able to see this very well. I don't have the car up on jack stands, but it's actually pretty close to the turbo. So I think I'm going to move it over to the other side here, which is where I had the pump before.